What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we are at the Natural Bridges in Southern Oregon, and this is a super cool spot I've been wanting to go to for a long time. Finally made it out here, gonna go check it out. So here's the trail. We came in from the right or the north side of the parking lot. On that trail there's another trail that has a really cool view, but this trail that we're on now is super sketchy, or supposed to be. We'll find out shortly. But has really cool views, so we're gonna go check it out and whatnot. And as you can see here, it says danger, unsafe area, do not enter. But if you know me, we are pretty dangerous, and this is supposed to be the way to go, I think. So we're gonna go check it out and bring you guys along, so hope you all enjoy. Some nice plants. Stop. I'm fine. I almost died. I almost lost the GoPro. All right, so we're coming down this part. I already fell once, then almost lost the GoPro down the side of the cliff. So just be super careful coming down here, and take your time so you don't fall. But oh my god, you can see a nice little arch in there, and yeah, wow, it's sick. All right, so this is the view. It's pretty sick. Yeah. I'm on the edge of a cliff. My tripod's barely hanging on. I'm barely hanging on. But I mean, it's super pretty, as you can see. I would say though, definitely be careful, because it's a pretty small cliff. But yeah, super beautiful views. But like I said at the beginning too, up there, there's a view as well. That's pretty nice too. That's easy and safe to get to. But if you're feeling it, this is the spot. All right, I'm back in safety, relatively. Now we're going back down this thing and going down there to get some more cool shots. Yeah. All right, we've made it to the bottom, the actual bridge part, and we're gonna set up and take some nice photographs here, maybe a pano of this guy, and should be pretty sick. All right, we've made it back to relative safety. That was super cool. Flew the little unit around down there a bit, and that was sick. I think I got an epic shot, so very happy with that. And now I'm gonna be an idiot and record with the GoPro while I hike on this sketchy trail. Oh fuck, I'm tired. Yeah. All right guys, just to note, the hike back up this thing is a lot harder than it is on the way down. So just a note on that. All right guys, we're just gonna go over a couple of recaps. So when you get to the parking area, you're gonna want to take the trail on the right or the north side, and then as you're hiking on that trail, just stay to the left the whole time. You'll come to a sign and you want to pass that, and then you come down this and go down that, and after that it's pretty easy. It's really not too hard to find or figure out, but just be careful, you know, and everything, and you know, enjoy the spot for sure. All right, I'm tired, so I should probably stop breathing into the camera. All right guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed, maybe learned something. Hopefully y'all come check out the spot. If you're in the area, definitely recommend it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.